Okay, here is a super speedy tutorial on how to use BandLab. So this is the first screen that you should see when you start an assignment for the first time. And what I want you to do, and the easiest way to get started, is to kind of ignore the instruments for now and click loops over here. So on this side panel, they have some that are kind of featured here first. They have some more packs here. But to get really whatever you want, I would click the loops tab. And then you want to think about, okay, what kind of genre do I want my beat or song to be? And so you can kind of look through. I think I want mine to be start with like a pop R&B. And so you kind of scroll through and you listen and you listen to some examples and you look at them and think, oh, this one is called All Night Bass. I want to hear it. I don't really like that one. Let's listen to this one. So maybe that's the first track that I want to add. I'm going to click and drag it to this box right here. And sometimes it puts it farther ahead. So this bar right here is like your progress bar, right, where my mouse is. And so what I would do is pick it up, because I want this to start at the beginning, and slide it all the way over. So now I have this little chunk here, this little bass, and I can listen to it by pressing the play button. But it's only one chunk. So what I want to do is right here at the top, there is a little circular arrow. When you hover over it, it's going to create this arrow. When you click on that and you slide it, it repeats your beat. So I decided I wanted to go to 8 seconds. Remember, these are our seconds, or our beats up here at the top. So that's my first track that I have. And it repeats itself a couple of times. Now I want to look for maybe some chords that go with it. So on the side here it says all night chords. I want to do the alternative one. Let's listen. Those kind of match with the rhythm. I like that. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to click and drag and place it where I want it to start. Do I want it to be at the same time as my bass? Do I want it to be starting a little later? Do I want them to happen at the same time? So I want it to start maybe after the first loop. So I would put it right there so the bass would start and then that comes in. And I want to do the same thing. I want to slide this over because I want it to be longer. So let's listen. So that's pretty cool. And whenever you want to restart your song from the beginning, you're going to click that back arrow. There's a couple of features I want to show you really quick. So when you're looking at the specific tracks, if you click the 3 dots over here, there are a couple of things you can do. If you wanted to change the color of the track, if you wanted to name it, if you wanted to duplicate it, anything like that. And this right here, this volume bar, allows you to toggle it and make it louder or softer. So all I want you to do is find stuff that you're interested in and add them to your